From the dawn of humanity, the moon has captivated our imaginations. A silvery orb in the night sky, it has inspired countless myths, legends, and scientific inquiries. The moon, our closest celestial neighbour, is more than just a celestial lamppost. It is a dynamic world with its own fascinating story to tell, written in rock, dust, and cosmic echoes. What is the moon made of? How did it come to be? And what can it tell us about our own planet's history? Join us as we delve into the science of the moon. From its fiery birth to its potential role in humanity's future, the moon has much to reveal. Like Earth, the moon is not a uniform, solid body. It has layers, much like an onion, each with its own unique composition and story to tell. At the heart of the moon lies its core, believed to be a solid, iron-rich sphere about 480 kilometers in diameter. Surrounding the inner core is a liquid outer core, primarily composed of molten iron. Above the core lies the moon's mantle, a thick layer of rock that extends for hundreds of kilometers. Over billions of years, this layer has been bombarded by asteroids and comets, leaving behind a surface pockmarked with craters and strewn with debris. Finally, we come to the lunar crust, composed of a variety of rocks, preserving evidence of volcanic eruptions, impact events, and geological processes. Have you ever noticed that the moon always seems to show us the same face? This isn't a coincidence. It's the result of a phenomenon known as tidal locking, a celestial dance between the Earth and the moon. The Earth's gravity tugs on the moon, creating a bulge on the side facing us. Over time, this constant tugging has slowed the moon's rotation until it matches its orbital period. Imagine a dancer spinning slowly, always keeping one side of their body facing a fixed point. The moon spins on its axis once every 27.3 days, the same time it takes to orbit Earth. This synchronous rotation means we only ever see one side of the moon from Earth. Section 4. Phases and Eclipses. The moon's cosmic ballet. As the moon orbits the Earth, its appearance in the night sky changes, giving rise to the familiar cycle of lunar phases. This mesmerizing dance is a result of the moon's consistent journey around our planet, taking approximately 29.5 days to complete one full cycle. Each phase, from new moon to full moon and back again, offers a unique view of the moon's surface. These phases are not caused by the Earth's shadow falling on the moon, but by the changing angles at which we view the sunlit portion of the lunar surface. The interplay of light and shadow creates the various phases, each with its own distinct characteristics and beauty. When the moon is positioned between the Earth and the Sun, we experience a new moon. This phase marks the beginning of the lunar cycle, where the moon is almost invisible to the naked eye. During this phase, the unlit side of the moon faces us, rendering it nearly invisible. The new moon is a time of darkness, a blank canvas in the night sky. As the moon continues its orbit, a sliver of the sunlit surface becomes visible, marking the waxing crescent phase. This phase is often seen as a delicate crescent hanging in the twilight sky, a symbol of new beginnings. The illuminated portion grows larger, progressing through the first quarter, waxing gibbous, and finally, the full moon. Each stage brings more light, culminating in the full moon, which bathes the night in a silvery glow. As the moon continues its journey, the illuminated portion begins to shrink, passing through the waning gibbous, third quarter, and waning crescent phases, before returning to a new moon. This gradual dimming is a reminder of the cyclical nature of time and the ever-changing face of the moon. Occasionally, the Earth, Moon, and Sun align, resulting in an eclipse. These rare events are a spectacular display of celestial mechanics, capturing the imagination of skywatchers around the world. A lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth passes directly between the Sun and Moon, casting its shadow upon the lunar surface. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon can take on a reddish hue, often called a blood moon, adding to the awe and wonder of this cosmic event. Section 5. Moonquakes and lunar water unveiling hidden secrets. The moon may seem like a quiet and desolate place, but it is far from inactive. Its surface, marked by countless craters, tells a story of a dynamic and ever-changing environment. Beneath its seemingly tranquil surface, the moon experiences moonquakes, seismic tremors that ripple through its interior. These quakes reveal that the moon is not a static, dead world, but one with ongoing geological activity. These moonquakes can be caused by the gravitational pull of the Earth, thermal expansion and contraction, and meteorite impacts. Each of these factors contributes to the moon's restless nature, constantly reshaping its surface. While most moonquakes are relatively weak, some can be quite powerful, registering up to 5.5 on the Richter scale. Such powerful quakes can last for over 10 minutes, shaking the lunar surface with surprising intensity. These seismic events provide scientists with valuable information about the moon's internal structure and composition. By studying the way seismic waves travel through the moon, researchers can infer details about its core, mantle, and crust. In recent years, scientists have discovered water ice in permanently shadowed craters at the lunar poles. These regions, which never see sunlight, have preserved water ice for potentially billions of years. This discovery has profound implications for future lunar exploration, as water ice could be used as a resource for human missions. It could provide drinking water, breathable oxygen, and even fuel for rockets, making long-term lunar habitation a real possibility. Section 6. Future Frontiers, Humanity's Lunar Destiny. The moon has always beckoned to humanity, calling us to explore its mysteries and unlock its secrets. From the first time we gazed up at the night sky, the moon has been a symbol of wonder and curiosity. Its surface, marked by craters and vast plains, holds the history of our solar system. As we venture further into the 21st century, the moon is once again emerging as a prime destination for human exploration. This renewed interest is driven by advancements in technology and a deeper understanding of the moon's potential resources. Space agencies around the world are planning new missions to the moon, with the goal of establishing a sustained human presence. Collaborative efforts between nations are paving the way for a new era of lunar exploration. These missions will involve sending astronauts to live and work on the moon for extended periods, conducting scientific research and testing new technologies. The data collected will be invaluable for future space endeavors. One of the most ambitious goals is the establishment of a permanent lunar base. This base would not only support long-term human habitation, but also serve as a platform for scientific experiments and technological innovations. Such a base could serve as a hub for scientific research, resource extraction, and even tourism. Imagine a future where people can visit the moon, not just as astronauts, but as tourists, experiencing the lunar landscape firsthand. It could also act as a stepping stone for further exploration of the solar system. The moon's lower gravity makes it an ideal launch point for missions to Mars and beyond, opening up new frontiers for humanity. Section 7. Conclusion. The moon's enduring allure. The moon, our celestial companion, has captivated humanity for millennia. From ancient myths to modern scientific endeavors, it has been a source of wonder, inspiration, and endless fascination. As we continue to explore its mysteries, the moon promises to reveal even more secrets, enriching our understanding of the cosmos. From its fiery birth to its potential role in humanity's future, the moon's story is linked to our own. As we venture further into the cosmos, the moon will remain a beacon, guiding us towards new frontiers and reminding us of the wonders that lie beyond our home planet.